I mean, I've only been doing this for 8 months now, and I just got pre-approved for up to $200,000 for a house. That's a big thing at 18 years old.
I keep hearing these stories. We are paying into the fund to educate the next generation so that it can continue to grow, because you have a skilled craftsman handing down his years of knowledge to the next generation.
It's important to be able to link where a student is right now with who they are right now, because they're building towards a future that they don't know.
Normal school, I made honors. I didn't really care to go. I like to go to see my buddies and a few fun classes like the shop classes. My sophomore year of high school, 2 guys came in. They're like, hey guys, we've got this program starting up. And I was here at the Union Hall. I took that my junior year. And then my senior year, they had an internship program, and it was a paid internship as well, so that was a huge plus. School, like here at the Union Hall, is to teach us why we do things a certain way. And in the field is how we do things a certain way.
We do everything we can to teach them what they're gonna need to know for their future in the classroom, but we are a hands-on trade.
We kindle that excitement of them coming out of high school, show them the exciting jobs that we're a part of, and now they're able to apply it in a hands-on project and then take it with them to the job the next day.
It's like college. I mean, this route, I do get an Ivy Tech degree. I applied for the apprenticeship, got in, and now I'm working for Project Design and Piping, who's a company of Waldinger Corporation. I'm working in Wabash, Indiana, building an elementary school. And so it's from the ground up. We're doing everything, plumbing and mechanical wise. I mean, some of the challenges, it's not always warm and cozy, that's for sure. Driving an hour to work and driving an hour home. And I start at 6 a.m., so I'm up at 4 o'clock, 4:30, and then you go back to work and you do the exact same thing the next day. The ones who are successful in this are the ones who show up early. Showing up early means that you're committed and you're ready to start the day. Some financial benefits, I don't have to pay for my health insurance. 2 pensions, state and national. Those are retirement accounts. And then I've got an annuity.
When you hear kids taking advantage of the opportunities that you put right in front of them with our instructors, that's just good stuff all the way around.